What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Gondek EDC Hank of the Month Club for December of 2022. Up in the corner I have the Share the Love patches from Castle Grayscale, and I'm opening it today with a random hand-painted letter opener I got in one of my trips to India, so just figured I don't want to rip or cut the Hank, and these envelopes are particularly durable, so usually what I end up having to do is just tear the glue anyway, and so that seems to work out pretty well. Did tear the letter just a little bit, but that's okay. Doesn't look like I got any of the text, and so right off the bat we can see, oh, very cool. So we got kind of a gift, and it says to Hank of the Month Club member from Mr. and Mrs. Gondek EDC. So that's a really cool Hank this month. A little bit customization on there, and just a really cool looking one. For the letter, I'll go ahead and read it out loud, but feel free to pause it if you prefer and read it yourself. But this is our 35th month, and again, another record month. You guys are just the best ever. We're so thankful for each and every one of you. This month is one of our favorites to date. I designed it myself, Lauren, and we thought it was very fitting for the month of giving and the holidays in general. A fun memento as a Hank of the Month Club member. Backstory time. So in our house, I do all the wrapping because, one, I'm anal and love to add all the bells and whistles, literally, and two, Max wraps like a toddler and I can't handle it. Ha. So when it came time for a December design, it was obvious one for me to design a perfectly wrapped gift. Now, 'tis the season, so we decided to add a little something extra. For the month of December, Hank the Month members only can use the code HOTMC25 for 25% off your entire purchase. However, it's only for Hank of the Month members. We'll be checking, and it's a one-time use coupon per member, so make it count. The code will expire on January 1st. We hope you all enjoy the month's Hank as much as we do. We can't say it enough. We're so thankful for each of you and love how much the club has grown over the years. As always, thank you so much for being a member of our club. Happy hanking and happy holidays. Thanks, Max and Lauren Gondek. So super cool. It looks like there is a coupon code in there, although I'm guessing they'll be checking email addresses so that you can't actually use that one unless you are a Hank of the Month Club member. But super cool Hank again, and excited to see just kind of a really custom Hank, super unique to the club, and kind of, like they said, commemorating Hank of the Month Club members. And so super fun design. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and as always, I hope you have a great one. Take care.